Okay, good morning and welcome to a Scratch My Pi video. I'm going to show you very quickly what we're doing and then we can explain it. So I'm going to type the letter M into here and then show you my webcam. Just watch the red light here. So this is basically a Morse code transmitter and receiver based on Scratch for Arduino. Letter gets typed in. The Arduino transmitter breaks down, works out if it's what the code is for it, long or short, dash dash dot dot. It then sends over pulses depending on the letter. The receiver goes to an infrared beam here. The receiver infrared beam then translates those pulses. It receives. It knows when it ends. Then once it's got the code, it then works out what the code is. Quite good fun. I'll show you again. I'm going to go for letter F. So it's dash dot dot dash dot, and it's received dash dash dot 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 dash dot, and it worked out by the number 6. I've had to work on the timing, so it's quite clear. The timing on Scratch Arduino isn't brilliant, so that's why they really long pulses. I think it's 0.2 seconds. Well, I'll show you. Pulse for the dot is 0.3 seconds, and for the dash it's 0.9 seconds. Differentiated enough, and the end is 2-second pulse, so it's differentiated enough so it can tell the difference between the two. I'll show you one more. So going to go for a Z right at the end. So if you just watch the counter figures out what number it is. Should be 26. And it's figured out it's long, long, short, short, dash, dash, dot, dot, and that should count to 26. It's a nice, fun code. Hard bit was, well, figuring, and not hard bit, but the logical bit was getting computers to break down into these things. The next obvious step is to make this into a word breaking down, as they word down. That's gonna be next video. Ha ha ha. It works. I know it works, just because a lot more programming. The idea is straightforward. Humans can do a lot quicker than computers can, but this is just fun. One more time. Go for an O. That's great. So thanks for watching. I might try this for some other Arduinos using the Arduino programming language. I like this because it has some visual on the screen. Okay, thanks for watching and take care. Bye.